Hey kids! We have a new pack of Thomas and Friends stickers. So what do you say about us taking them out? And you must help me with the names, because I don't know the names. So tell me what's its name, or his name, or whatever it is. What's the name of this one? And what the name of this one? Or that's the same? Maybe they're all Thomas? What do you say? This is Thomas, right? So, if you like my channel, please subscribe and get more cool videos of stickers and toys, real toys, diecast cars, tractors, taxi, trains, and whatever you think you can see in a channel like this. So if you like something, please tell me and I'll try to get it. And you know what, I just found this one. What do you say? Do we have it? No, we don't have it. That's an angry. And we have also this one, this part, and we have also this part. Do you see it? Do you see it? It has a name. It's Dan. What is it? Okay, we have this, and we have also this one. This is it? What do you say? It looks like this. Like it. No, it doesn't. It's not. So we have this, and maybe we'll put another sticker here. And we have this cement truck. And let's see, what else do we have here? We have this one. Oh, I'm so happy. And we have, see, we have lots of have this one. That's a cool one. See? It's a cool one. Boom! And we have, well, we have a lot. We have a lot of Thomas and Friends trains. Let's see. Put you here. And wow, we have this beautiful. I remember that when I bought it. That's a cool. No one has it, right? Die-cast metal. And we have another one, the same. Actually, I think I bought two. And we have this one. That's a new one. We have lots of Thomas, right? Lots of Thomas and Friends. So, aha! We have another one! Another one! You won't believe. We have a lot of new and great trains, and we have stickers also. Let's put them down. And ta-da-dum-da-dum. This is it, folks. Kids, if you like my channel, please subscribe and get lots of new videos every day, almost every day. Okay? So, this is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye, kids.